What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free NFT projects that has potential. But before I'm going to show you the projects, I have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor, this is not a financial advice, and this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. And also, if you can do me a favor, follow me on Twitter, I would really appreciate that. So first project, it's called Astral Friends and it's a free mint. At the time of recording this video, they have 18,000 followers, and if we scroll down, as you can see this one right here, they're doing giveaway. One, I'm assuming this is free NFT, is going to be airdropped, and then 25 free mint spots, and they have 500 likes, 500 retweets, and 500 comments. So this project is not minting yet, it's minting soon, but I think you still have time to get whitelist spot for this project. The next project is called HolyVerse. So HolyVerse has 53,000 followers on Twitter, and again, this post is a giveaway, and they have 400 likes, 400 retweets, and 300 comments. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, they're already partnering with different projects. And again, mint date is not announced, so if you follow them, keep notification on, maybe you can get yourself a whitelist spot. And the last project is called Fantasize NFT. This project a few weeks ago had little over 5 or 10,000 followers, and at the time of recording this video, as you can see, they already have 120,000 followers. Probably by the time this video is going to be posted, they're going to have even more. This project is very hype and they have a lot of different collabs. And this project is going to be minting on July 15th, so you still have time to get yourself whitelist spot. And as you can see, this right here, this is just a mint announcement, and it already has 2,700 likes and 2,000 retweets. And if we scroll down here, as you can see, they collabing with different partners, and like this one, they collabing with Ryan, and this specific one has 6,000 likes, 6,000 retweets, and 6,000 comments. So you can see this project is getting a lot of hype. So I think this project is gonna do well. And you still have a couple days until July 15th to get yourself whitelist spot. And they also have pre-mint link. If you click on it, the new page is gonna appear. So right here, you're just gonna have to follow them on Twitter, connect your wallet, and you can register. But this one is not for free mint. This is actually gonna cost you less than 1% of Ethereum, so it's 0.0098, and they'll be choosing 2,000 winners or 2,000 spots. And I think this is a still pretty good price, because if you're gonna try to flip or something with that much hype, I think this project is gonna do well. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about in the video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.